Hi guys, this is day one on my cleaning and decluttering journey. Before I begin, I just want you to know that my family has suffered a lot of trauma and abuse. And when you suffer a lot of trauma and abuse, it triggers depression, anxiety, things like that. My sons never close their windows because they become anxious and they feel closed in, and that's why their blinds look like that. But yet, there's a blanket on the window to conceal the light. So this is all of the clutter and stuff in their room. They are not nasty. They are not dirty. They are just children who are battling depression and anxiety due to years and years and years and years of trauma in their life. These are great kids, not because they're mine, but because they're great kids. And I got my boys' permission to do this because I could have simply done this off camera, but they gave me permission to record this, to do this, and explain why we're doing this, because not only does it aid in their healing, but it's helping somebody else to identify what they are going through. These are new clothes on the floor. Like, depression, this is what depression looks like. It's a very real thing. And again, I'm showing this because I didn't know what depression looked like. I was just told that I was lazy and I was dirty, and I'm not. I'm one of the most organized people that you can meet. But when I get depressed and when my kids get depressed due to the trauma that we have suffered, things just go left. And this is my son's bed. And he said this is comfort for him. That's why he keeps everything in his bed. It makes him feel comfortable. It makes him feel safe. And I understand exactly what he's saying, but I also want to teach him that this is not comfort and safety, and that we need to organize this and get this together and get it clean so that you can function in a healthy space. So this is day one